3 reasons kung bakit kailangan nating i-goal ang financial independence. Number 1 reason is to have time for the things that matter most to us. Imaginein mo, kung hindi na concern sa'yo ang pera, lahat napaghandaan mo na, nakapag-invest ka na ng bahay, meron ka ng sariling sasakyan, hindi mo na kailangang isipin yung retirement fund or educational fund ng inyong mga anak dahil napaghandaan mo na yon. So everything is taken care of. Kung hindi na concern sa'yo ang pera ngayon, ang paghahanap buhay, ano kaya ang ginagawa mo? Walang masamang mangarap, walang bayad mangarap, kaya okay lang yan. So, if you can close your eyes, imaginein mo lang, ano kaya ang ginagawa mo ngayon kung hindi mo na concern ang pera? Number 2 reason kung bakit tayo dapat nagdi-dream na magkaroon ng financial independence is if we are financially independent, we have the ability to help others. Mas marami tayong matutulungan. Magkakaroon tayo ng opportunity to help the church, yung mga kamag-anak, kaibigan natin na nangangailangan. Ang saya, di ba? Ang saya ng feeling na ikaw yung hinihingaan, ikaw yung nagbibigay, kesa yung ikaw yung parating hingi ng hingi. It's a blessing to be financially independent because you have the ability to share your blessings and to be a channel of blessings to other people. Number 3 reason, it's worthwhile to become financially independent for the sake of developing the person you want to become. Nade-develop yung character mo, yung personality mo, kagaya ng patience, na it takes patience to get to that destination, yung destination mo, yung goal mo na maging financially independent. It takes hard work, it takes perseverance, persistence, yung talagang magpupursige ka dahil goal mo na gusto mo talagang maging financially independent para hindi ka naaasa sa ibang tao. You learn to delay gratification, yung hindi ka lang basta-basta bibili ng mga bagay na magaganda or na gusto mo ngayon because iniisip mo, mas malaki yung rewards kapag sinave ko muna to, saka ko na lang gamitin for other more important things or for my future goals. So those are the 3 reasons kung bakit natin dapat i-goal ang financial independence. Pero tandaan natin, money is just a tool. Hindi dapat nasa pera lang ang focus natin. Money is essential, money is important, but money is not everything. Our family, our faith, they're more important than money. Money can be a good tool na magagamit natin to spend time with our family, to do the things that we want to do in life. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang paalala sa atin sa 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10. For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Some people, eager for money, have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with griefs. As we pursue financial independence, let's continue to pray for wisdom and guidance kung papaano natin gagawin yan. Kasi pag tayo lang, it's gonna be difficult and challenging. We need the wisdom, we need the strength of God to guide us kung saan ba tayo dapat pupunta at paano tayo makakarating doon. And I pray na ma-achieve mo rin ang financial independence in the right way, in God's way, na hindi tayo magfo-fall into the trap of loving money along the way. Yan ang aking message for today at sana ay i-comment mo rin sa baba kung ano nga ba ang reason mo kung bakit gusto mong maging financially independent or kung bakit gusto mong ma-achieve ang financial freedom. Thanks for watching. God bless.